This is another question I get asked over and over all the time. Do you need a home warranty when you're purchasing a home? That's what we're talking about today. Hey everyone, I'm Marvin, real estate broker with Night Owl Realty. If you're thinking about or in the process of purchasing a home and you're wondering if you need a home warranty or not, I would recommend yes. Getting a home warranty can give you a peace of mind, especially when you're purchasing a resale home. Because when you close on the home, all the items work then, but who knows what's going to happen in a year from now. So I would suggest getting a home warranty at least for the first year if anything goes wrong. Because you've already spent a lot of money just getting into the home. Then based on how the year went, you can decide if you want to keep the home warranty or not after that. But I can tell you personally, we still have a home warranty on our home since we purchased it. And I'm certain it's paid for itself and saved us thousands of dollars just on ACs and hot water issues alone over the years. So, what is a home warranty? It's a yearly service contract that covers replacement or repair of systems and appliances in and around your home from breakdown and normal wear and tear. Well, how does a home warranty work when you have a problem? If you have an issue with the item that's covered by the home warranty, just make sure to contact the home warranty company first before calling anyone else to come look at the issue. You'll pay the home warranty company your deductible amount, and they'll send out a company to take a look at the problem that you're having and either fix it or in some cases may even replace the item. All right, let's really get down to business. Who pays for the home warranty? That depends. You could ask the seller to pay for the home warranty when you make your offer on a home. It's 50-50 shot though. Sometimes the seller will and sometimes the seller won't agree to pay. But even in a seller's market, I've seen sellers agree to pay home warranties for buyers. However, in a seller's market, I would say if there's multiple offers and bidding wars happening, you may want to try and just keep your offer as clean as possible, which would mean that you could pay for the home warranty yourself or the agent that's helping you. Maybe they could ensure that you get a home warranty and maybe they could buy you one as a gift. So how much does a home warranty cost? Depending on the company and what you have covered, I've seen costs between $400 to $800+ when including the pool. As well, the service coverage is paid for typically with a yearly plan. So what does a home warranty cover? Most home warranty companies have different plans of coverages to choose from. But most home warranties could cover items like the electrical system, plumbing, your furnace, your air conditioning, hot water heaters, appliances like your refrigerator, your oven, microwave, dishwasher, garbage disposal, washers and dryers, your RO system and water softeners, as well as irrigation outside, as well as swimming pool equipment. Okay, so now you're more informed about what a home warranty is and the particulars of a home warranty and when and how to use one if you had to. If you're thinking about buying a home in North Phoenix or the surrounding areas and you have questions, I have answers. Contact me. I'm Marvin, real estate broker with Night Owl Realty, where we're up all night closing the deal.